Hello again, everyone. It's Patrick from Victory Ford in Dyersville, Iowa, 563-875-2409 or on the World Wide Web at victoryfordonline.com. One of my favorite times of the year, the heat of summer's here, and July means push, pull, and drag sale at Victory Ford. It's our easiest sale of the year. You get $1,500 minimum trade-in on anything you can drag in. I don't even know if this ran when it came in. It's missing a hood. Anything, as long as it's currently titled and registered, is going to be worth a minimum $1,500 trade-in value on any used vehicle over $4,000. So if you got an old truck like this, or a car or motorcycle, something that's growing weeds up around it, it could be a camper, a boat, what have you. If it's got a current title and registration, why not trade something like this for something like this? For this 2016 F-150, it's an XLT, just 13,000 miles. We're asking $33,955. The actual asking price is $35,455, but with your $1,500 push, pull, or drag sale trade-in, you get it down to $33,955 to start. This one's loaded. It's an XLT 301A package, has remote start, rear view camera. It's been fully inspected through our shop. It's nearly new. So once again, Patrick at Victory Ford, Dyersville, Iowa, 563-875-2409 or on the World Wide Web at victoryfordonline.com. Stop out today. We'll see you soon. Bye.